In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. That's already on your INFINIX device. And tapping on Allow in all available pop-ups. Before you start, you can click on this gear at the top right corner and click on File Type to pick a perfect one for you. When you're ready, go back and tap on this red button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on flag icon when recording is unpaused. And to end it and save it, click on this square on the right. Now name your recording, and to get rid of it right away, hit delete. To continue and save it, select save. Now to access it, when your recorder is off, tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Then to play it, click on it. And to manage it, go back and hold it. Now use all of those options at the bottom, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!